Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a TikTok shop haul. I'm always shopping on there and I bought a few pieces, so I'm going to show you what they look like on, and I'm going to swatch them for you and hopefully you like today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like. Yeah. My makeup order arrived today and I'm gonna unbox it. I have just woken up, so sorry I sound half asleep, but I just bought a few things from TikTok shop, and yeah, they've came all wrapped up in a bubble mailer, which is good. Yep. This is an overview of everything that I bought. Everything kind of has a cute theme, and it was really cheap. I did have a voucher on TikTok, so that went towards it. So I've just taken the plastic off everything and unboxed it for you. So I did buy 5 things, but one of them isn't for me. So I got an eyeshadow, a lip gloss, a lip stain, and more lip gloss. So yeah, I'll show you everything up close. This is the eyeshadow palette that I bought. This is not what it's gonna look like at all on the inside, and this I think was around £7. So yeah, I'll show you. It's pink and lace on the outside, and then you take the lace off and it opens. This is the inside. It's so beautiful and it's angel themed, and it's brown toned eyeshadows, which are my personal favorite. So you get shimmer shades, and then there's a butterfly. I think that's a blush shade. So I think this part is a highlighter. It does look very antique looking. It's beautiful. And there's even an angel imprinted on the blush. Just to show you what the eyeshadow looks like, I'm gonna get it out for you. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it 'cause I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna keep it more as display. So yeah. So you take this ribbon off, and then this is the eyeshadows. You can see how much they glitter in the light, but yeah, a lot of them are imprinted with angels on them, so that's why I don't want to swatch it, because I don't want to ruin the imprint. This is the next product that I bought. My phone died, so I've had to go charge it quickly, but this is the next thing that I bought. It's angel themed and it's really gorgeous. And there's a lip stain in here, but I just really love the outer packaging. It's very coquette and it's very cute, and the angel is really detailed. So I'm gonna unbox it. This wasn't cheap at all. I think this was like £4. I will put the TikTok store that I bought from in the description. So to open it, you just slide it up. So inside is a lip stain, which are really popular in Asia, because this is an Asian makeup brand, and I did have to wait for a few weeks for it to come from China. But everything is really high quality, and this is the lip stain. It has an angel, just like the outer packaging, engraved on the outside, and it's pink, and the attention to detail is just so beautiful, and it was really affordable. I'll show you what kind of colour it is. So this is the applicator and the colour of the lip stain. It's like an orangey brown, which is a really popular shade, and it won't go on that strong, you just kind of blend it out. But that's what the applicator looks like. You get quite a lot of product in there, like the whole tube is filled, so it's really worth the money. So the first item that I bought is this Angel lip stain. I would say it's more of a stain, but for some reason I think it's listed as a gloss. But I'll show you what it looks like. This is the bottle that you receive. I have done a close-up, so yeah, it has a little angel on it, and it's pink and white, and it's really cute. This is the shade that it is. It's like a chocolate brown, I would say. So I'm gonna try it on. This shade reminds me of autumn. I think it's really beautiful. Yeah, it's really soft when it goes on, and it applies really nicely. I have nothing bad to say. I think this was under £5. I'm pretty sure I paid £4 for it. So yeah, it's like a chocolate orangey brown tone, and it's so soft on the lips. So that's the first one. Next, I got something cake themed. I thought I'd have a break from the angel themed stuff, so I got something cake themed. It's really sweet and it's really cute, and these weren't expensive at all, and it's 3 matte lip glosses, so you get 3 in this little tiny box, which is really good value, and you can choose which shades you want as well. So these were the shades that I chose. They won't go on that dark, it's just, you just blend them out, and there's little ice cream sundaes on the actual lip glosses. I'd say they're more lip stains than glosses, to be honest, because of how dark they are. But yeah, I got the brownie nude tones just because I didn't want everyday wear. But it's amazing how you get 3 for the price of 1. So yeah, this is from the brand Dragon Rainy. I just can't believe how well made everything is, and I will swatch these for you. I still have the previous lip stain on, so I'm gonna wipe that off, but I'm gonna show you the next product. This is 3 matte lip stains. Again, it says gloss, but I'm pretty sure it's a stain. You get 3 in a box, and I'm pretty sure they're £7. You can pick which shades you want, but I chose the brown tones. You seem to be into that recently. So yeah, and there's a little cake on the front. But I did film a close-up, so yeah, I'll show you them. So you get 3 products. Mine are all brown toned. Seeing as how they all look the same, I might just swatch one, because there's no point swatching the same product 3 times. I'm gonna swatch the lightest one for you. So again, it's pretty similar to the angel lip colour. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe this off now and swatch this one. I just wanted to say that I don't have lip filler. These are my natural lips. I feel like lip fillers are so popular these days. Everyone thinks that anyone with big lips has lip fillers, but these are my natural lips. So I'm gonna swatch this. This is more of, oh, this why. This is more of a natural brown shade, a natural nude shade, and it has a bit of a smell to it like baby powder, but it went on smooth and it went on lovely, and yeah. Sorry if my teeth aren't straight, by the way. I am wearing Invisalign, but I took it out for a few hours to film these swatches and videos, so my teeth moved during that time, and sorry, I got a notification. My teeth moved during that time and they go in straight, which is awkward when you film it. This is the final item that I bought. This is a glittery lip gloss, and it's so beautiful. It has like little gold sparkles in it, and this was really cheap. It just has a clear tube, and that's the packaging that it comes in. So yeah, I'll show you up close. This is what the applicator looks like. It's really small so you can be really precise. I just think it's so beautiful. I think it was like under £5, but yeah. So I just wiped the last sample off, and now I'm going to show you the final product. I bought one for a friend too, but it's just a lip gloss, and this time it is a lip gloss, so sorry I'm wiggling the tube. So yeah, it's just a pink glittery lip gloss, and these are about £5 to £3. The price kind of changes on TikTok shop, but yeah, I really love shopping on there. Like, I spend hours watching the live videos and people's tutorials, and yeah. This is the glass. It's beautiful. It glimmers in the light. I'll show you the sparkles. So this is from the brand Dragon Rainy. They sell quite a lot of makeup on TikTok shop. This one is definitely scented. It smells like fruit, like watermelon. It smells like watermelon. This is really pretty. I really like this one. I have another one from TikTok shop, but I got the clear one, so this is the pink glittery one. I think it's really nice for summer and when you have no makeup on. So yeah, that's some lip swatch. Could swatch the eyeshadow for you, but I really don't want to ruin it. So with this purchase, I actually got a mini free gift, which I think is really sweet. I wasn't told I was going to get this, but it's a little makeup puff. So that's everything that I bought. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and let me know which your favourite is. I think mine has to be the Angel eyeshadow and the lip stain, just because I love angels so much. But yeah, let me know your favourite. Thank you guys for watching me swatch these lip products. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I just lost the plug. This is more of, oh, this will sorry.